Hi friends, today I just planning to cover the top configuration storage security. Okay, it's a part of AZ104 Azure Administration Certificate. Okay, so we will go for the learning objective now. What we will cover this section. Okay, so I just plan to cover the section review storage secure and create shared access signature and identity UR SAS parameter demonstration SAS port. The first section I plan to cover until here. Okay, the part 1. Okay, part 2 I will cover for the remaining topic. Okay, so we will go for the review storage security strategy. Okay, so whatever the storage security strategy available in the Azure: storage service encryption, authentication with Azure AD and RBAC, client side encryption, HTTP or SMB 3.1 data transit, Azure disk encryption, shared access signature delegated access, shared key encrypted signature string, anonymous access to the container and blobs. So we will go for each topic we will discuss in the next slide. Okay, so first we will go for the storage service encryption. So storage service encryption means your data in the rest means your data, if example this is your data, the data will be stored in the Azure cloud. The rest of the data will be encrypted, defaultly encrypted, because all data written to the Azure storage automatically encrypted by using Azure storage service encryption. So whatever the data you copy or you save in the Azure, the data will be encrypted. Okay, they will encrypted using a storage service encryption. Okay, so next we will go for the data transit. So what is data transit means? You will connect with your Azure portal. Maybe you have a web server or something like this one. The client server. So you will connect with using HTTPS. So hypertext transfer protocol. We will go for data can be secured in transits between application and Azure by using client side encryption, because this data will be transferred from data storage to the client side or server side. Data will be transferred to HTTPS protocol. Okay, so next we will go for the disk encryption. Disk encryption means you are using operating system, virtual machine disk and data disk used by actual virtual machine can be encrypted using Azure disk encryption, because already the data will be encrypted in the Azure. Also the disk will be encrypted if you're using BitLocker, your Azure VM virtual machine, whatever the disk you are in, this automatically full disk encryption for disk will be encrypted. They are using Azure disk encryption. So we will cover disk encryption, already covered data transit, I think you understand, and storage service encryption. Authentication we will go for the next slide. Okay, so next topic we will cover access key. Okay, so what is access key? Okay, in your storage account, you make in storage account in the Azure portal, you receive you get a two key. Okay, so what is this? Azure generated key that provide unlimited access to both unlimited access. In Azure portal, in a storage account, you have two keys. Okay, the key can provide me full control. Full control. You can access what the storage account, or you access to the inside the blobs or file or whatever. Even the storage account will be give the full access. No any control, because this one is unsecure. So I see the diagram you will represent. The access key will be give the full access to storage account and instead storage service. So this this problem will be unsecure. Okay, so you need to give the secure example. You want to give the security for your outside people or outside work or website or something like this one. What we need to do, you need to create shared access signature. This is the tool, shared access signature. So what is the service for the shared access signature? Access signature generated from access key that provide limited time to access the resource. So what is access signature means? You can provide limited time of access. See, only limited time access they will give you your storage account or storage service. Okay, so shared access key signature will be using only for the give you the access to the outside people or outside anything outside of, because only for the little time of the object. Okay, because little time only. Okay, so authentication also, you can give the authentication through your Azure AD or your role based access. So instead of shared access signature, you can also give the access to like this one. Okay, So now I will go for give you the deep explanation of shared access signature. Okay. So here, how to we will create a shared access signature. Okay. What is the shared access signature? I told you you can give the temporary access to your Azure storage account or storage service. Okay. So what is it? Provide a customer access file or storage service. Provide a custom access to the file or storage service. Grant access to the client without sharing your storage account. Storage account. Okay. I told you you don't want to share your storage account. Okay. You can give the access to through the particular time of objective like this one. Okay, so you can set the valid time interval to access the resource such as start time and expiration time. You can see here you get the starting time and expiration. You can set the time for particular time to the access, and also you can give the allowed IP address. You can give the allowed IP address. This IP address only to connect to this storage account. Okay, you can proceed that. And SaaS will provide access to the resource in one or more storage service such as blobs, files, queues, and tables. Also, SaaS will be provide access to the resource in just one of the storage service. So you can give the two methods. SaaS will be provide account level and service level. So what is account level means? Storage account level. You can generate SaaS in the storage account level. Also you can generate in the service level like blobs, queues, files, all that is. See, account level is storage account level, like a storage account level. You can generate your SaaS. Okay. Also you can generate your service level like a blobs, files, queue table. You can easily understand once we will go for the portal, then I will explain briefly, because now only the explanation. Okay, so we will go for our demo. So before we will go for, we will check this one. Okay, identify URL and SaaS error. You will make the SaaS token. Okay, after you make the SaaS token, you will get, see, this is the your URL for accessing the URL. This is your account is storage account. Okay, remaining all see ESP, and you can see SC, and this is a parameter SPR, and this is a signature of this. So include the parameter of the resource. The URL include the parameter. So what the storage service version, so you can get to this one SV, then storage service version and service resource type. You can get the service resource type and time. You can, here you can see also, see service expression SC, and you can see here permission of IP. If you have the permission, you give the IP, then here also that will be show the IP address. Okay, and then protocol. See here you can see the protocol, protocol HTTPS. So so the SaaS token will be generated from your Azure portal. Then everything with the parameter start from SP, and starting time, ending time, all will be mentioned that URL. Okay. So now we will go for our demo. So what is a demonstration? We are going for creating SaaS at the service level and creating SaaS as the account level. Okay. Okay, now I reach our Azure portal. So we will go for our resource group. I already told my previous videos how to create the resource group and how to create the storage account. So we will now go for our resource group, and then we will go for our storage account. Okay, this topic I will not explain how to make the resource group or storage account. So I directly go for the storage account. Okay, so my storage account is this is the name. Okay, so I will show you the access key. First I will go for the access key. Okay, so here you can see the access key, the security plus networking. So here you can see your access key. There are two access key 1 and key 2. Okay, if you give someone to this key, they will get the complete access to the your storage account. They can access your storage account. So we don't want to give the key. So we need, instead of this key, you can give the particular time. I told you before, particular time to access. You can set the time period, and you can set the whatever the you will access from the one IP address like this one. So how to we can do that? You can go for here shared access signature. So here you can see, you can give the allowed service block, files and queues, and allowed resource type. You can put container or whatever you need, and allowed permission, read, write, delete or list, whatever the permission you want to give. and you can put blob version permission and allowed blob next permission, and you can put the start time and end time. You need to access in the particular time, just to put the start and end time. And if you need, just to put your IP, this particular IP only can access this storage account, you can put. And allowed protocol, put HTTPS only, because HTTP is not secure. Okay, so you will put HTTPS only. Then after that you can generate the connection. Just click this one, then you can get the connection string. This is the connection string, blob service URL and file service URL and queue service URL and table service URL. Okay, so you now understand how to we can create the shared access signature. So now this is account level. Okay, so in the storage account level, we will now go for the our service level. So how to we can generate the key. So we will go for our container blobs, then we will create one container. Okay, just to create one container, name, image, then you can go for blob. First I will show you create. See, now we will create our container, then we will upload one image for this container. Just upload one image, browse. Okay, now we will upload one image. Okay, then click upload. Okay, after that uploaded, you can go to check upload or no. Yeah, it's already uploaded. Then we will go for our property. We will check our URL. Yeah, just to copy this URL, then we will paste here. Yeah, see, now you can see this image. So because you will give the access to the blob level. So now you can see the whatever the image you need to. If anyone don't want to see what is it, you can change the access level. But the problem is, after changing the access level, only private access. Okay, only you can access. So you need to give the permission to someone to access this image. So how to we can give this one? That is the purpose of shared access token. So now we will go for change the access level, then we will put only private and then okay. Then we will save, then we will refresh. Okay, now we will go to check the property, we can access or no. We will take the copy the URL, copy, then you try again here. See, you cannot access because we will change it to private only. So we need to generate the token. Delete. We need to generate a token. How to we can access this one in private? So go for here, just click generate SaaS. So click here, generate the SaaS, then go for SaaS. Okay, so you can select your key. You have two key, then key one and key. I showed you the access key. You have two key. Just select one key. Then storage policy. We are now not showing this one, and we will give the read access. So starting time, whatever the time you needed to give the starting time, and ending time, whatever. And if you have the IP, you can allow only IP. You can give that IP, and after that you just click generate. So what you know, now your by blob SaaS URL already there. Just to copy this one. Okay, paste in the your. Okay, see, now you can see the your images, because the private access level also, but you generate the SaaS token, then you can see the your image. So I will show that URL also. So now I will copy the URL here. You can see this one our storage access. Okay, so this one like a token level. See, SP service program, then the expire date. See the time of expiration. You can see SC and what is the protocol we are using. Okay, then this is the signature. Okay, sign. See, whatever we will create already with generate with the SaaS token. See. Okay, SPR, SC and SP. Okay, so I think you now understand how to you can make your SaaS like a shared access token, and how to provide the shared access token. Okay, so now I wind up this topic, and we will cover for the remaining section in the next topic. So I think you are like my video. If you like my video, Please like and share my and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.